What's going on, guys? Rodrigo here, Breakfast Club ZTG. We back in this beat. Today I'm going to be taking you guys through a functional fitness workout based around cardio. So today is going to be more of like a breathing, get your heart rate up, get you sweating, get you moving. Enjoy the sweat, enjoy the breathing. Your lungs are going to be on fire, guys. This is pretty much a typical day during the week of my functional fitness workouts that you'll see. We are doing a program by Marchand Athletic right now, just testing it out, doing the morning cardio and then like their performance workouts during the day for the strength sessions. Today was one of those days where it just revolved around cardio, guys. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys like this type of video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, guys. Go over to Instagram, follow me there, shots_G. I post daily swipe workouts. You guys can ask me any questions you guys want there. Anyways, enjoy the video and let's go ahead and get right into it. Hi guys, 147.9. Week 3, day 1 today. Sorry, I'm out of breath, just flexing. Down about a pound so far. So going into week 3, first week I lost a pound, second week I stayed the same. I'm not sure if it's because I had a high carb day yesterday, maybe I'm holding water, but I should be going down. So tomorrow I'm gonna go ahead and weigh myself as well, but that's just the update, week 3, day 1 for 147.9. Don't get discouraged if your weight isn't going down. Just stay consistent with your cardio, your training, and your macros, guys. You'll be able to get it, man. This cut, we're coming in 2021 lean, shredded. You guys already know. Apply for one-on-one coaching. Links in the description. Let's go, guys. Good morning. Dang. It's barely snowing. Can't really tell, but it's snowing out there. Cloudy, rainy, little bits of snow. I don't know if you guys can see, but little tiny bits of snow falling. And that is the start to the Monday morning vibes, man. Alright guys, morning cardio in the books, guys. I posted it over on my Instagram. Go ahead, check it out. We got 30, 20, 10 calories on the ski erg, followed by 10 ground to overhead 50-pound dumbbells each side. If you have a sandbag, that's even better. So just do a sandbag. 3-minute rest, 2K run in miles. That's 1.24 miles. So run that, rest 3 minutes, and then it's gonna be 75 burpee box jump overs, 24-inch box, guys. So basically just how that is right there. Awesome workout, killer workout. Morning cardio session done. I'm gonna go watch the latest YouTube video. If you haven't, watch it over here. It was up a day ago and I just love that video because it pumps me up. It's like basically what I would want to see, functional fitness workouts and just the lifestyle, because no one's doing that right now. So you guys came to the right channel if that's what you came for, guys. Catch you guys in a little bit. God darn, my man, look how much it's been snowing out here. Look at that, look how much snow's accumulated. Your hands up.
Let's go.
Let's get this started again. It's no surprise. I lost my phone, my case, my car. I left my wallet at the box.
Halfway there.
I think this show's
10 seconds.
There's 1,000 miles between you and I. Oh my. Just 1,000 miles between me and paradise. Oh my. There's every secret I listen. We're all scared to till we try. Learn to be brave, see the other side. Won't you leave me there? Have no fear. Close your eyes, oh my, my, my. There's 1,000 miles. Oh my, my, my. Between me and paradise. Oh my, my, my. 1,000 miles between me and
When I'm next to you, I'm just fighting my insomnia.
there's so many of you already today. Who put me up to this? But ooh, I wrote every line of every verse. I thought you deserved better in me. You brought out the worst. I will not forget my first. That you're gone, I feel the sickness coursing my veins. It's beginning again. All my life is broken record face. I thought that I was ready to change. It's beginning again. that you're gone. I feel the sickness coursing my veins.
Brutal. All right, guys, workout in the books, guys. As you guys could tell there, it was a pretty hard workout, pretty brutal workout. Not gonna lie though, it was a good one. Man, I am just toast, guys. I didn't even want to work out in the first place, to be quite honest. It's a Monday, it was cold outside. The first workout of the day felt great. Feeling pretty good, got a bunch of stuff done, but then this workout, I really didn't want to do it. Started going, was feeling good, and then it just hit me and it was like, I don't want to do this. It was super hard, didn't think I was gonna be able to do many things. The second to last bit with the burpee box jump overs was not good. I was already just beat and worn out from this morning's. Oh man, and then that last bit, I did not think I was gonna get those shoulder to overhead at 135. Got them all though, surprisingly felt good. So I was like, okay, feeling good. Got back to the ski, I was like, oh no, another round of this. It was just my mindset, like my mental today. Just because I'm tired, I need to eat. I just need to eat, honestly. I need some carbs in me, and that's why I feel like it was so hard. But hey, we got it done. It was a good workout. We still pushed ourselves. We still made gains. That's all that matters. I'm gonna go get carbs in, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video and this workout so far. Give it a go. Let's go eat some food. Quick little update, guys. Look at that. That's right now. Stopped snowing not too long ago. Mountains got some good snow. Honestly, this whole field and everything was covered in snow. But hey, I mean, it just wasn't cold enough to stick. It's probably like 34 the high today. Guys, like this workout today was pretty tough. Like, it was hard. Like, I'm shirtless right now, and it's 34 right outside that garage door. Like, this isn't really that well insulated either. My little heater, it kind of warms it up, you know? It kind of does the job. But that's how hard that workout was, guys. Not gonna lie, I'm not being a little bitch. All right, guys, post-workout, we got 40 grams of oats, 32 grams of white chocolate wonderful peanut butter. We got 80 grams of blueberries, 15 grams of reduced sugar cranberries. We got sugar-free syrup on that. We got a scoop of chocolate milkshake, One Up Nutrition Whey, guys. Watching Simply Mander's garage gym update. Should I do a garage gym update? Not in this video, but the next video, that's what it's gonna be. It's gonna be a whole garage gym tour update, guys. So stay tuned for that. Anyways, gonna crush this, man. My body is calling for some carbs. Gonna crush this, shower up, and then, yeah, guys, that's it. Well, there you have it, guys. A cardio day based around my functional fitness style workouts, guys. That's gonna go ahead and do it for this episode. I hope you guys enjoyed. Kind of like a little day in the life, little vlog with the workouts, guys. More to come, guys. At least 2 new videos every week. You guys don't want to miss it, guys. If you guys need help with your training and nutrition, apply for one-on-one coaching. The link is gonna be in the description, guys. For any gym clothes that you guys saw in this video, you guys want to get the hookup, code SHOTSG10, virusinternational.com. You're gonna get 10% off. You're gonna help your boy grow. Let's go. That's gonna go ahead and do it. As always, Breakfast Club CTG. We out this beach.